So a big buzzword in K-pop nowadays is noisy, something disliked by many, but will not be leaving the scene anytime soon. You're either here because you like noise and wanna hear more, or you wanna know what genres to avoid. In either case, noise isn't limited to EDM. In fact, rock has been historically noisy, and there's even a genre called noise pop, but that's not what we are here to talk about today. A lot of these were recommended as noisy songs from my friends, but this was difficult. The main thing that makes a song noisy is different sound effects and structures less than the genre itself. In fact, many of these have the same base genres and just build on it in a really experimental way. So keep in mind I'm recommending certain genres that may sound familiar or were inspiration, but these are by no means strict labels.
I'm so bad.